Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that has revolutionized the way we store, access, and manage data. That's right, we're talking about the benefits of cloud computing. In this video, we'll explore how cloud computing has transformed the digital landscape and the advantages it offers to individuals and businesses alike. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Cloud computing, in simple terms, refers to the delivery of computing services over the internet. Instead of relying on local servers or personal devices, cloud computing allows us to access and store data and applications through remote servers. This shift to the cloud brings numerous benefits that have reshaped the way we work, collaborate, and store information. One of the significant advantages of cloud computing is its cost efficiency. By utilizing cloud services, individuals and businesses can significantly reduce their upfront investments in hardware and infrastructure. With the pay-as-you-go model, users only pay for the resources they need, allowing for scalability and flexibility. Whether you're a small startup or a large corporation, cloud computing offers cost-saving opportunities that can't be ignored. Another incredible benefit of cloud computing is its accessibility. With cloud-based solutions, you can access your files, applications, and data from anywhere, at any time, as long as you have an internet connection. This opens up a world of possibilities for remote work, collaboration, and productivity. No longer bound to a specific physical location, you can work seamlessly from home, the office, or even while traveling. Cloud computing truly empowers flexibility and freedom like never before. When it comes to data security, cloud computing provides robust solutions that give peace of mind to both individuals and businesses. Cloud service providers invest heavily in state-of-the-art security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access, data breaches, and physical damage. With regular backups, encryption, and advanced security protocols, your sensitive information is safeguarded more effectively than ever. Cloud computing eliminates the need for individual data backups and ensures the longevity and integrity of your data. Scalability is yet another compelling advantage of cloud computing. In traditional computing, scaling up or down often requires significant investments in hardware upgrades or new infrastructure. However, with cloud-based services, you can easily adjust your resource allocation based on your needs. Whether you're experiencing a sudden surge in traffic or anticipating growth, cloud computing enables you to scale your resources dynamically. This flexibility eliminates the limitations of traditional computing and allows businesses to adapt swiftly to changing demands. Cloud computing has revolutionized collaboration among individuals and teams. With cloud-based productivity tools and shared storage, multiple users can collaborate on documents, projects, and presentations simultaneously. Real-time updates and version control ensure everyone is on the same page, regardless of their physical location. Whether you're working on a group project, coordinating with colleagues, or collaborating with clients, cloud computing facilitates seamless teamwork and enhances productivity. And there you have it, folks, the benefits of cloud computing in a nutshell. From cost efficiency to enhanced accessibility, improved data security to effortless scalability, and seamless collaboration, cloud computing has reshaped the way we work, store data, and collaborate. It's no wonder that businesses and individuals around the world are increasingly embracing the cloud. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the benefits of cloud computing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future uploads. Thanks, everyone.